thought I'd give you an update on my botch job. So you can see all the condensation on this one. This is the driver's side one. I haven't bodged this one yet. Let's have a look at mine. Oh, it looks a bit deflated. It's basically just like a deflated version of the other one. Lack of condensation. I'm also at a lovely little scenic park up. Over the bay there is Wales. I'll be heading there soon. Very soon. Can you see that there? I'll zoom out a little bit. Basically there, just below that smudge. No, you can't see it because it's not focusing. What if I manually focus it there? There, you see it? You see that there? I nearly shot myself when I saw that. I was like, no, the windshield can't be cracked. I've just had it replaced. However, you come around the outside, and I dare say it'll never show you it from this angle. Oh, there it is. So yeah, from the outside, luckily enough, I can pick up this little crack. Oh, and this crack here. Come on. They're not actually cracks. Hairs. Now, how did my purple hair get on the windshield? That's my question. How did it get from here to on the windshield? Nice little spot in the woods. Oh, well, here we are, heading to the tower. Check back views when we get there. Probably saw a little friend at the tower. Talk to you when I get round this corner, because then I'll have the sun in my eyes. There's nothing better than having the sun in your eyes, is there? Yeah, I'm already tearing up from this tiny bit of sun in my eyes. So, this is why I always have sunglasses on. Oh, I have the use of my eyes back now, fantastic. Yeah, this is bloody huge. It's a King Alfred's tower. What a beast. Now my eye bags are getting cold. There you go. Wipe up the tears. They won't make your eyes cold. Huge. Alright. I might listen to that plane. Now I'm going to walk into a little bit of shade from this tree. But so there's still some light on me, and I will have a quick chat about the south of the UK. It's very busy, that's all. But yeah, I thought I'll give my quick synopsis on sort of the south coast, because I've been all the way along the south, as far south as you can go, and then a bit further west, and now I'm making my way up the west coast and popping into Wales as well. It's been difficult. It's been noticeably more difficult along the south coast than anywhere else I've stayed to get some peace and quiet, and again, I expected that. It's part of the crack. You know, the UK is a fairly small island, and the majority of the the population lives in the south, so I was expecting it. I'm definitely tired of it now. I'm looking forward to heading to less populated areas and getting a bit of peace and quiet. But I'm happy I've done this. It's a wonderful little spot of the world, the south coast. Then you can look over and see France, and you've got the Isle of Wight and things like that, which I didn't go to, which I may come back for. Yeah, there's just a lot. Like I went to see, in the last series, I went to the Waterloo Monument in Scotland. And yeah, there was one camper staying at the car park with me, but that was it. A solo trail through the woods and back, or a monument on a hill. Whereas this place, it's open, you know, weekends, and there's a caravan just down the walk that's selling, you know, it's even open today and it's selling coffee and things like that. It's just because there's more people here. There's more people to see these things. This isn't, you know, any better than the Waterloo Monument, and Waterloo Monument's not any better than this. There's just a lot more people around here to see it. So that's why. So I'm not whinging. It's not for me. But I still am happy I've done this and seen these places. Anyway, that's enough bloody waffling on from your boy Migly. I'll catch yous when I catch yous. Why aye, a little bit of history for you, eh? Not too bad at all, not too bad at all. It's a canny view over here as well. Can't see a lot of it because of the trees, but there's been gaps every now and again. Did I just walk past that? Pretty sure I've just been walking along the edge and I need to turn right. And I'm pretty sure I just walked straight past that sign there. It's a good thing I started recording. Yeah, look at the view. The view is lovely, isn't it? But anyway, I'm going to crack on. Follow this sign. Go back to the van. Could have another look at the Barrow as well. There it is. That mound right there, from 1500 to 1300 BC. And off to this side you got your big castle. Well, sorry, tower. It's not a castle. It is a tower. It's a fair dinkum tower as well. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Another sign. Yo, what? 50 metres higher? And to be fair, going by the sign, that tower up there would have been built when this was all farmland and not even woodland. You would have had quite the vantage, wouldn't you? Little spruces. Little babby spruces.